Oye, se apagaron las luces. Ay, no, vamos, vamos afuera, afuera.
Afuera no salgan.
If you felt that rumble across northern Chile, or even caught whispers of it in Peru or Bolivia, you weren't imagining things. Early this week, a powerful magnitude 6.9 earthquake struck near Calama, a high-altitude mining city in the Atacama Desert. What made this event stand out? For starters, the U.S. Geological Survey did something rare. They upgraded the magnitude, not downgraded it, moving from 6.7 to 6.8, then settling at 6.9 as more data poured in. That upward revision alone signaled this wasn't a routine tremor. Within minutes, reports flooded in. Streets went dark as power flickered out for roughly 22,000 households in Calama. A ruptured water main left neighborhoods without supply. Schools closed. Authorities declared a local state of emergency. Yet, amid the chaos, one reassuring message echoed from Santiago: no tsunami threat. Why? Because this quake wasn't like Chile's infamous coastal giants. It struck deep, about 103 kilometers, 64 miles beneath the surface, inside the sinking Nazca tectonic plate, not along the shallow plate boundary that typically spawns ocean-displacing megathrust events.
¿Esto queréis templar?
That depth matters immensely. Deep, slab earthquakes like this one send seismic waves traveling efficiently through dense rock, which is why shaking was felt hundreds of kilometers away across multiple Chilean regions and into neighboring countries.
Puto mierda. Oh, la cagó. La cagó, la cagó, la cagó.
Aquí no hay nada arriba. No hay nada arriba.
¿Se remora hasta la hueá?
Sí, no hay nada arriba.
But precisely because the rupture occurred far below the sea floor, there was no violent uplift of the ocean bottom, the key ingredient for tsunami generation. Emergency systems responded swiftly, and coastal communities could breathe easier. Still, the impacts on the ground were real. Calama isn't just any town. It's the heart of Chile's copper empire, and Chile produces more copper than any nation on Earth. Major operators, including state-owned Codelco, temporarily halted mining activities to inspect infrastructure and ensure worker safety. Fortunately, early assessments suggest limited damage to critical facilities. That's a win, given how vital this region is to global supply chains. Geologically, this event fits a pattern. Northern Chile sits atop one of the planet's most volatile seismic zones, the Peru-Chile Trench, where the Nazca Plate dives beneath South America. This subduction engine has birthed history's most powerful quakes. The 1960 Valdivia event, M9.5, remains the strongest ever instrumentally recorded. But not all quakes here are created equal. While shallow boundary ruptures can unleash catastrophic tsunamis, intermediate-depth slab quakes like this one tend to spread energy over broader areas with less extreme surface destruction.
Aproximadamente de la tarde, fuerte sismo con fuerte ruido en Calama, última hora urgente.
Think of it as the difference between a hammer strike at the surface versus a deep, muffled thud. Scientists are watching closely. This isn't an isolated incident. In 2020, a very similar M6.8 slab quake struck near Calama. Just this past February, a M5.0 event occurred at nearly the same depth. Each tremor adds data to a complex puzzle. Is stress building deeper within the Nazca Plate? Could this be a precursor to something larger? Experts emphasize there's currently no evidence this 6.9 signals an imminent megathrust event. But in a region defined by tectonic tension, vigilance is non-negotiable. In the coming days, expect aftershocks, some potentially exceeding magnitude 5. Emergency teams remain on high alert, restoring power, repairing water lines, and supporting communities. For residents, the message is clear. Stay informed, keep emergency kits ready, and trust official channels over social media rumors.